How's it going, guys? So I want to talk to you about how to really excel in trading, and I want to talk to you about my new platform. So I know a lot of people, you're trading with your favorite brokers, your favorite prop firms, but the biggest thing I've seen when it comes to especially prop firms is people having an issue trying to figure out either their strategy or their lot size, especially the lot size. So a lot of people are like, okay, as soon as they're about to take the trade, they can't figure out what lot size they should take, right? So what I've created is it's going to be completely free for you guys. We're just making a few more updates before we release it, but it will be completely free, and I'll show you how to do that soon. But with this indicator, it's going to give you a stop loss. So if we just set this, for example, the sell up, and we put our stop loss above right here, and our take profit right here, we have several take profits you can pick from. So let's say we chose this take profit. Then you have a 1-to-1 risk. And if we brought it down here, you have a 1.7. And right here, you have a 2.7. And what's cool about this, is what makes this very easy, guys, is it gives you your stop loss. So this would be the price for your stop loss. This would be the price for your take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So you literally just put the numbers in. But most importantly, you can set what risk you want. So let's say you're taking a $100,000 prop firm. One of my favorite prop firms is Hola Prime. And so let's say that you went to Hola Prime and you bought a $100,000 challenge and you want to consistently risk 1% per trade. You simply just look at the lot size it gives you based off the interest. It's okay, cool. It's a sell alert. Of course, you're going to look at market structure. You're going to look at other factors, which we'll have in the training. And let's say you do confirm that you want to take this trade. You would put in your lot size, which would be 2.36. You would put in your stop loss. You would put in take profit 1. Or if you want, you can go for take profit 2. We'll just use take profit 2 for an example. So you're going for 1 to 1.78 risk. So let's say you took that trade and it gave you all the parameters. This is your take profit. This is your stop loss. This is your lot size. That's all you need. This indicator is very simple to use. This is going to be great for people who want to trade as beginners. So as you can see, guys, and let's see if it hits TP2 and it won. So if we look at this, just to look at a couple more examples, a very simple indicator to use. I just wanted to make something nice and simple for you guys. And no, you're not going to win every trade. Like this looks like it was going to lose. If you look at it, it hit the stop loss. And if you gave yourself a little wiggle room, you would at least hit TP1. So it still wasn't too bad. But it's a very, very simple indicator to use, right? And it works on multiple different pairs, and now like gold, for example, and so forth. So we'll look at one more real quick. Then I want to kind of show you the academy. So I said that we took this sell. We placed our stop loss right here. Because remember, this is like similar to futures. And like that's why I like Hola Prime. They have the Forex, they have the futures. And so let's say that we took this trade and hit play. Simple. And you could have put your lot size in. It gave you all the information. You would put a 2.6 in and risking 1%. So let's say that you risk 1%. You would have made, for example, $763. So super, super simple, guys. And as you can see, I've already been getting multiple payouts from Hola Prime already. I've been away from the mix for a little bit in trading, mainly as far as trading prop firms, mainly because I've been working on a brand new platform that I have a lot of free goodies, not outside this indicator, which this is just the first version of the indicator. I actually have a better version. I'm just not showing it to you yet, but it's going to be amazing, by the way. So this is our new platform where you can join completely free. And we also include an academy that you can literally, where we go over stuff like perfect trading setups, trading like the banks, using our trading view stuff, and even our boot camp with our recording. So we have a lot of dope stuff that we have. We have free content on trading. We have paid content. We have paid indicators. We have free indicators like the one you just looked at. That was completely free. And you can utilize these indicators, guys, and this education and apply it towards prop firms like Hola Prime, where you can get amazing payouts like this. And the reason I always say Hola Prime, because like this is actually faster payouts than most brokers. So you know how usually when you want to get paid from a broker, it might take 24 hours. This prop firm actually pays out in 1 hour. So this is why this is one of the ones that I like to personally use, because I like something that's going to pay fast and I know that's going to pay me. I've already got burnt by like maybe 3 other prop firms. Usually those will be the ones that let you do the HTF and they don't make you take the challenge. And it is what it is at the end of the day. This one actually makes you take the challenge. Or if you want to skip the challenge, you can literally go and pay for a direct account, and it'll let you just skip the entire process and you'll get fully funded. It just costs a little bit more. And so that's pretty much it, guys. And like, if you want to use my link below, as far as joining Hola Prime, the link will be below. If you want to take advantage of this free indicator that we're releasing, plus all the other free goodies, please click the link below. I have both links below. And imagine you're going to know exactly what to risk when you're trading Hola Prime, where, okay, cool, I'm going to make $700, but I know I'm only risking 1%. And like I said, it's a very simple indicator to use. You're going to have wins and losses. Like this trade, my win, my loss. Let's look at 2 more trades just to show you how it works. And like I said, I got full training on how to use it, but just showing you how simple the tool is. Let's just look at it. And so we hit buy, put the stop loss right here, take profit at 1 to 2. And there you go. Let's look at one more. And again, we're giving this for free. So imagine using this, for example, Hola Prime, where you can actually just know exactly what the risk. You got a $100,000 account. Maybe you have a $50,000 account. You can actually change the actual account size and the risk, and it's going to calculate the lot size based off of that. So imagine, we did this, hit play. Well, that was close, right? So simple tool to use. I'm not saying blindly take all buys and sells. I'll have training on how to use it. Again, this is going to be completely free. But you can, for those who don't know exactly what it would be, they want to use something very simple. This is going to be a really good one. Let's look at one more since it's right here. I didn't even notice this sell right here. And these are 1 to 2s, by the way. And so imagine, let's say once you get the TP1, took us out, right? So that one didn't win. But you can't win every trade. But when you're going for 1 to 2s, you only have to be you only have to be like at a 35% win rate, 40% win rate to pass these prop firms. So that's to make you feel really good from the last, considering we won pretty much every other trade except maybe 2. And like I said, you don't have to just rely completely on this strategy. This is a free indicator that you can use that you can just set alerts up for. So I'll show you what that looks like. So let's say that you wanted to set an alert up. And so while you're doing your trading strategy, you're waiting to get paid from this, you can literally just set your alerts up. And you can say, hey, look, whenever I get a buy, send me an alert when the bar closes. And whenever I get a sell, send me an alert when the bar closes for this particular pair. You can set the notifications and your message on what you want it to say. But I already made it really simple where it's going to pre-populate and say sell signal trigger on USD JPY at this price. So it does all the work for you. But if you want to do your own custom message, you can. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, make sure that you take advantage of, if you decide you want to use a prop firm that pays out, use Hola Prime. This is one of the prop firms that pay the fastest and they're reliable at paying. You can actually join their Discord also. But make sure you use my link below. That's the only way I get credit. Another thing is, again, my link will be below if you want to join our financial revamp where you can take advantage of our education. And like I said, we have a full education community. We have free education and paid. Right now, we are in our pre-launch. So when you click the link below, you're going to take advantage of some of our free goodies. And this is going to be something that can really help you guys. So let me know if you have any questions below. And let's get some money, guys.